Hello, welcome to Crafty Solutions. Today we are making a statement necklace. First, we're starting with two bangles. I'm straightening them out as you can see on your screen. And then I am going to use a clear plastic sheet. Now I am placing the straightened bangles onto the sheet. I am using a cowrie shell bead and V-shaped connectors. As you can see, I am also using V-shaped charms. I am gently placing the charms on the clear plastic sheet so I would have a good visual of the statement necklace that I am making. It makes it easier for me to arrange them first before gluing. Now I am applying the gem tack glue. I chose to use a slow drying glue for this project. It is important that you use a slow drying glue if you are doing this project for the very first time. It will give you time to mend any mistakes you are making. Next, cut out the shape of the statement necklace after the glue has dried. I am using a rhinestone string to outline the shape of the top and cut out space of the necklace in order to conceal the rough edges of the cutout space. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is the easiest and free way to help my channel grow. Thank you so much. If you use a quick drying glue, you could make an error and the quickness of the glue will not allow you to quickly amend the mistake that you may have made. Next, I am using rhinestone beads to conceal the holes of the connector charms. So when you see it, the rhinestones will sparkle. Now this is the final step of making this statement necklace. You take a 10 mm jump ring and you connect it to a choker necklace. Now you attach the jump rings to the statement necklace and then you connect the choker necklace and the statement piece that we just made, and we're done. That's all, folks. We're done. Check out my other easy jewelry making tutorials. They are easy, quick, and they will look great on you. Thank you and see you on the next video. Bye bye.